On this video, we will be discussing one of the key components of any research study, the methodological framework. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to number one, explain what a methodological framework is. Number two, identify its characteristics and advantages. And number three, learn how to develop one for your own research project. A methodological framework is a structure that organizes research. It's made up of methods and concepts related to a specific field of study. Think of it as a blueprint or a map guiding you on how to conduct your research in a systematic and efficient manner. Without a methodological framework, research can become disorganized or lack focus. The main purpose of methodological framework is to guide researchers as they conduct their study. It provides direction and structure, helping you make sure that every step of your research is logical, well planned, and supported by appropriate methods. The framework can be used to determine what data needs to be collected and how it should be analyzed. The framework can also be used to assess the strengths and weaknesses of a study's methodology. Now, let's discuss the characteristics of a methodological framework. First, parsimony. This means that the framework should be as simple as possible without losing its ability to explain the research clearly. Second, generality. The framework should be able or applicable to a wide range of situations or phenomena. Third, testability. It should be possible to test the framework using real world data. And fourth, falsifiability. This means the framework can be proven wrong if the evidence contradicts it. These characteristics make a methodological framework strong and credible. A methodological framework offers several advantages. It provides a clear structure for your research, helping ensure that all aspects are considered and organized properly. It also allows for replication, meaning other researchers can repeat your study to verify your results, which improves reliability and validity. Another benefit is that it helps you identify gaps in existing research, which you can address in your own study. Finally, it provides guidance on how to collect and analyze your data effectively, ensuring that you consider all relevant information. Here are some helpful tips for developing your methodological framework. First, define your research question. This will help you decide what kind of data you need and how to collect it. Second, choose an appropriate research method. There are many methods available, so pick one that best fits your research problem. Third, select your participants. Clearly identify who will be part of your study and how they will be chosen. And fourth, develop a data collection plan. Specify what instruments and procedures you'll use to gather your data. Next, design a method for recording responses. Will you use paper and pencil, audio recordings, or computers? Then create a plan for managing the data collection process. This means keeping accurate records and staying organized. You also need to obtain IRB approval or ethical clearance to make sure your research follows proper ethical standards. After that, select a method of data analysis that matches your research design. And lastly, develop a plan for securing and storing your data safely and confidentiality. Here are some examples of methodological framework. To sum up, the methodological framework serves as the foundation of your research process. It helps you organize your ideas, choose the right methods, and ensure that your study is both systematic and credible. As you work on your own research projects, always remember a strong methodological framework leads to a meaningful and trustworthy results. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to seeing how you apply these ideas in your own research. Have a good day. Thank you.